Hi, welcome to day 24 of my 30-day Boudoir Business Redesign. And today we're talking about kind of making sure that your pricing page has a complete rewrite. You know, most photographers treat their pricing page as if it's a kind of a receipt. They just list items and basically the cost for them and everything else. But when you think about a luxury brand, especially in the likes of boudoir photography, in the boudoir world, as it were, your pricing page is the final hurdle of the sales journey. Yes, we need to kind of treat the client to a little bit of stimulation to do with how much things are going to be costing from and so on with it. But if it feels like a bill, they're going to be more hesitant. So if you just kind of show all your pricing up front, basically, it'll just be another hurdle that's going to put them in the way. So when they start to feel like it's an investment into an experience and an investment into themselves, they'll book and they'll kind of hang around a lot longer as such. So today, I'm trying to encourage you to perform a complete pricing page rewrite on your website. Because we're moving away from selling products and moving towards selling the transformation, selling the experience as such. And when we talk about marketing, you know, clients invest into outcomes, not numbers. We've kind of chatted about it a little bit before, but they aren't just buying an album. You know, it doesn't matter what size it is. They're not just buying that. They are buying the feeling of seeing themselves as a kind of a different person or the real person within, and you're just bringing that out. Okay, some would say, you know, you're kind of selling art and everything else with it. I think art is one of those words that's bandied around, especially in the world of fine art. But I want them to feel that every time they open up an album or an app, look at their image on a wall, they own it. They kind of really realize that it's them reflecting back at themselves and things really. So we need to frame the prices around the emotional experience and basically increase the perceived value more than actually the product list and things. Remember that pricing communicates the brand, okay? So as far as inspiration is concerned, the way you present your numbers, the font, the layout, and the language we use influences how people perceive your skill. Clarity and confidence is key within a price list so we don't confuse them. And we want to focus on the excitement of the session rather than actually the downer of the price of the product, as it were. So if you accept from the beginning that transparency empowers the client, that doesn't mean you show all your prices online, okay? It's the way that we word things. Hidden fees or contact for pricing can create anxiety in a luxury market anyway. It's a bit like looking through a jeweler's window, wondering how much a ring might cost or a watch might cost and so on with it. So in the luxury the market, we need to be clear. We need to be transparent. We need to make sure that the pricing that we show removes the fear of the unknown and allows the client to focus on the excitement of the session and the experience itself. So today I need you to really look at your vocabulary shift. Are you using words like cost and fee or investment and experience? Instead, the outcome is key. You know, does your package lead with the physical product or with the transformation? You know, I talk about signature collections or legacy collections. Sounds more aspirational than package A. Then we look at the confidence factor. Yeah, is our pricing buried at the bottom of a long page, or is it presented with the confidence of someone who knows exactly what their work is worth? You know, I've got no problem in saying our boudoir sessions are £200, but you can buy it today for $99. You know, those are key things in marketing that basically will get them to act on things. In the same way as our collection, our most popular collection is £1,600, whereas you might have collections that start from £400, let's say. So you can state that we have collections starting from £400 or whatever it would be and things really. So your task today is to rewrite your pricing page as of today. Yeah, no excuses. Focus on the description of the experience rather than the product. The results and the long-term transformation is what we need to make sure we're getting across. Ensure that the layout is clear and it's not confusing in any way. Also, everything that we use, like our font and layout and so on, should be aspirational and easy to navigate. And I think if you spend just about 30 minutes today to turn in what is your rate card into an invitation, you'll find that you're going to get a lot more clients who are going to be less hesitant in booking with you. And I suppose at the end of today, I wanted to ask yourself, does this pricing page make my ideal client feel excited and confident to book? Or does it make them feel like they're just paying a bill? Remember, we're still trying to encourage the client to get in touch with us, but we need to ensure that they feel confident right from the beginning. Good luck today.